Hey Johnson Construction, this is Claudia. We spoke on the phone. So I'm just going to go over a few ways that I can help out your business by increasing your online presence, and it'll help you be found more easily by competitors. So I'm just going to show you a couple of ways that we can do that. So right now, because you don't have a website, which is very important in the process of this, I'm going to go ahead and show you your competitor's website as an example of what you might want and what you might want to change or work on to be better than theirs. So their website right now, it's very flashy. It's got this video, it looks good, but if you scroll down, it doesn't have a ton of content. And what Google actually looks at is they want 1,500 words on the front page for them to fully optimize it. So if you were able to have a website made by us, we would be able to easily have 1,500 words of content, which would then put you above this website because of that. What also matters, in addition to just having that content, is what that content is about. So that's when we come to keywords, and you want your keywords to be relevant to your industry and to your area. So as you can see, their keywords, they have construction, services, restoration, they've got their business name, contact us, but what they don't have that I noticed is they don't have their business and their area in the same one. So for example, contractor, Madison, Wisconsin. They don't have those together, and those together is really what helps you get found, because when someone is looking for a contractor in their area, what do you think they look up? They look up contractors in Madison, Wisconsin. So let me go ahead and show you what comes up when that is looked up. So what comes up first is this map section. And ideally you want to be in this top 3 of the map section. Right now you're several pages back, like at least 100 to 200 back. No one's going to look that far for you, right? They're going to look at these top 3. They have 3 great options right here, but there's no reason that you can't be up here, because I'm sure you're just as great as every single one of these contractors. So how you get up here is, I'm going to go and compare you to your #1 competition on maps, which is Barlow Builders. I have this tool called Whitespark, and it just shows us how many citations that you have. So as you can see, you're on top here, and you have 16 citations, which, by the way, a citation is somewhere that your business's name, address, and phone number is directly listed on another website. So those are websites like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, things like that, where you can be found by other people. So this is super important right now for you, especially because you don't have a website. So people can't find you through your website. They need to be able to find you through another way at least. So right now you have 16, which isn't bad, and your competitor has 29. What's super awesome is that when we do click on these numbers, we can see every single one of the citations that your competition has. So if you don't have one of these, we can just click on it, click that link, and go straight to it and get it for you. So you're going to definitely want at least 10 more than your competition though as well, just to fully beat them out, but as you can see, it's not too difficult to do so. The next thing that comes up is, like I was saying, Angie's List, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, things like that. But not everyone looks at those. And so the first real website that comes up is Daniel's Construction. And I showed you that website, and honestly, they have a couple good keywords, but their website content isn't super great to be ranking. So the reason that they're ranking is also in addition to some things that are outside of their website. So for example, how that works is, I'll show you through this tool Ahrefs that I have. If you get a link from another website to your website, that gives your website more power. So they have 274 links to their website from somewhere else. So what's cool about this as well is we can click on those links and we can go through, and we would be able to get for you every single one of those links that they have and more. So by having a website and doing so, we have these tools and these ways that we can get you ranked to the top so that people can find you most easily. So those are just a few things that we can do. Honestly, out of a bunch of different ways, those are just the basic 3 things that could really help boost your business. And obviously #1 priority right now would be having a website made. But that taken into consideration, this is Mallard Digital Marketing. I'm Claudia, and I would love to hear back from you. If you're interested, you can call our number 208-216-7643. Thanks, and have a great day.